This is the garment kit that is compatible with the HD9. It comes with 10 organ needles, size 90-14. It also comes with the velvet foot, which attaches to the machine through this hook. And the needle fits perfectly in this U-shape opening. The bottom of the foot is completely flat to prevent any markings on the velvet. The concealed zipper foot allows for perfect placement of a hidden zipper with deep grooves for coils. The narrow straight stitch foot has a very narrow base that gives it the perfect placement for top stitching as well as miniature piecing. This is the adjustable seam guide. By turning the screw, the position of the guide can be moved to match the desired seam length. With the foot lowered, position the foot so that the needle is falling in the correct position, so directly in front of the U-shape opening, and tighten it with the Phillips head screwdriver. The velvet foot will stitch beautifully without marking the fabric. This foot is extremely narrow with one hole just for the needle drop. When putting it on the machine, place it directly under the set screw. Lift up and adjust the foot until it rests comfortably on the bed of the machine. Then, tighten it with a flathead screwdriver. Look at how seamlessly it goes through denim, multiple layers of cotton, and a very sheer, lightweight fabric. The opening on the side will fit perfectly around the set screw, and while holding the guide in place, tighten it with a flathead screwdriver. Following the guidelines on the plate, loosen the screw on top of the guide to move it to the desired seam allowance. When putting the zipper foot on the machine, place it directly under the set screw. Lift it up and adjust the foot to tighten it. Notice it has two deep grooves at the bottom of the foot that will align with the teeth of the zipper. The zipper will be placed right side to right side on the fabric. Make sure to line up the raw edge of the zipper with the raw edge of the fabric. Then, align the teeth of the zipper into the foot. Now the other side. Once again, line up the raw edge of the zipper with the raw edge of the fabric, aligning it in the groove of the foot. Once the second side is finished, turn the fabric over to begin zippering the fabric. Then, turn it back over to complete the concealed zipper and see the finished product.